Today I'll show you how to use this product, B401. First, set the product aside, then connect the power cord to the power adapter, connect the two ends and plug them in. Turn on the Wi-Fi on your phone and tap the hotspot that matches the device, Luckyaxe B401. Upon successful connection, you will be redirected to the Wi-Fi settings screen. Change the Wi-Fi name and password to your own. Click Save and reboot. The device will then automatically restart. It even supports an Ethernet port. That's really great. Enter the corresponding IP address into your mobile browser. We can then access the device's backend to check the hash rate, configure mining pool settings, and so on. Start configuring the mining pool. You can configure your mining pool here. Enter your wallet address and password. After confirming, click Save and restart. Complete the entire setup in just 3 steps and a few minutes. You can choose to connect via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. An Ethernet cable connection is more stable. The same applies to computer operation. It is plug and play. Enter the corresponding IP address into your computer's web browser. You can access the backend to view the device's hash rate and configure the mining pool. Summary: you can start mining in just 3 steps: powering on, connecting to the internet, and configuring the mining pool. Give it a try.